Hi guys, welcome to another episode of AJAWI TV. I'm AJAWI, and for today I'm answering a question that a lot of people have been asking. The question of what can I possibly build with $4 million, right? Also, somebody was actually asking me about shipping container houses, right? So I decided that I'm going to look on it a little bit deeper. So I decided to actually design a shipping container home, and I'll be doing more. Now this is the reason why I decided to design a shipping container home. It's because a lot of people in Jamaica can't really afford to really build the extravagant houses, and what other solutions are there within the market that would cater for the person who cannot really afford more than for borrow more than $4 million and live comfortably, right? So I'm looking at it from a perspective of, okay, you just leave school, you're starting out, you don't necessarily want to go borrow $15 million, and the bank won't lend you $15 million as somebody who just leaves school, but you want somewhere to live comfortably while you build wealth, right? So I was looking at it and I'm like, hey, if I'm leaving school right now, wouldn't it be great to really build a little shipping container house if it's nicely designed, nicely landscaped area, and then I just live, save money, right? Instead of paying rent and paying that money per month towards rentals, I could possibly be saving towards a mortgage, and then down the line, even if I decide to expand, I already have something. So if I'm going to buy something, I'm going to buy another house, right? I already have these properties, so therefore I can possibly just rent it out, right? So that's the perspective that I'm looking at this from. All right, so without any further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so this is the shipping container house that I designed. It's a nice little house. Now imagine if you had a house like this, that you are paying bare minimum as it relates to mortgage, and you can live comfortably, right? You can live comfortably while you and your partner save. So this is actually a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, kitchen and living space, right? Kitchen, dining and living space. So it facilitates a young couple who is just starting out, right? And it just gives them room to really grow as a couple and to help them expand in the long run. In the long run, they can actually rent out this and create an income for themselves, while they probably have another property or buy another property where they're going to probably build their dream house, right? I personally don't believe in I don't think I'm living to build a house. That's not the point of living to me. Reason why I'm living is to experience life, and if it is that I spend all the years of my life working towards buying a house or building a house, then you're not necessarily living, because you're now worried about, okay, the mortgage and all of them stuff there, while you're missing out on life. So the aim is to really put you in a position where you can plan ahead, or wait I say it just put you in a better position to make decisions as it relates to enjoying your life and working towards your goals, right? Because if you start out, right, and you have a little piece of land, and you have a 40-foot container, and you're now looking at a space that is really nice, well designed, well landscaped, right? You're now focusing on what's more important in life, because really and truly your home really offers you shelter. That's what your home is for, shelter, right? Now don't get me wrong, I'm not beating or bashing the whole big house and stuff like that. I'm just saying that there are certain people in society who cannot afford those types of houses. So why not offer that solution? And this is the reason why I did this, right? So if it is that you want this design, I would say give me a call or send me a message. No, better yet, send me a WhatsApp message. If it is that you want this, I'll forward the plans to you. If you want the bill of quantities, I'll get that done for you. For the plans, it will cost what, $490 I think, if I'm remembering correctly. I'll check, but I'll put it in the description below. So it's $490. You get all the plans prepared for you, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. You get all the plans. You'll get the renderings. You'll get everything that you see here, right? So yeah, I mean, I like it. I would build it for myself, basically. So at the end of the day, I know that if it is that I am going to, if I was just starting out and leaving from school, this would be an option for me, right? So anyways, this is just a little video. I'm just showing you what's up. I'm going to be doing more designs, by the way, for shipping containers, right? So I'm going to be doing a few shipping container homes. So if you like these, please like, comment, share, subscribe. And if it is that you want to purchase one of these, let me know. I'm always happy to help you guys, all right? So peace out, and I'll see you next time.